Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about multiprogramming and multitasking in operating system. Okay? See, multiprogramming simply means having more than one program in the computer's memory at the same time. Okay? Okay. Multiprogramming simply means having more than one program in the computer's memory at the same time. So the CPU can work on only one program at a time. Okay, so basically when one program is waiting for input or output, the CPU switches to another program. Okay, so this way the CPU is never idle state. Okay, and the example is if you are downloading a file, okay, and at the same time listening to music. So while the download waits for the network and the CPU keeps playing music. Okay, now see, multitasking. See, multitasking means performing multiple tasks at the same time. Okay, multitasking means performing multiple tasks at the same time. Okay, okay. Multitasking means performing multiple tasks at the same time with the help of time sharing. With the help of time sharing. Time sharing. Okay. So basically the CPU switches between tasks very quickly. Okay. So giving us the feeling that all tasks are running simultaneously. Okay. And the multitasking example is you can type in MS Word, listen to music, and browse the internet all together. Okay, so basically the operating system makes this possible by giving each task a small time slice. Okay, small time slice. You can type in MS Word, then listen to music, browse the internet all together. So the all operating system makes this possible by giving each task a small time slice. Okay, now key differences between multiprogramming and multitasking. See, key differences between multiprogramming and multitasking. So multiprogramming keeps the CPU busy, okay, while multitasking makes the system more responsive. Okay. See, key differences between multiprogramming and multitasking. First one is multiprogramming keeps the CPU busy, while multitasking makes the system more responsive. CPU busy, and here is responsive. Then in multiprogramming, the CPU switches only when a program waits for input or output. Okay, input or output, input or output. And in multitasking, the CPU switches very quickly using time slicing. Okay, time slicing. Okay. Then third one is then multiprogramming has little or no user interaction. Okay, multiprogramming has little or no user interaction, while multitasking has a high user interaction. Multiprogramming has little or no user interaction, while multitasking has high user interaction. Okay. And multiprogramming was mainly used in old batch system. Okay, old batch system. Okay, while multitasking is used in modern operating systems like Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. Okay. And multiprogramming increases CPU utilization, while multitasking improves user experience. Okay, multiprogramming increases CPU utilization, while multitasking improves user experience. Okay, so basically multiprogramming means multiprogramming means efficiency. Okay, efficiency, like CPU always busy. Okay, CPU always busy. Okay, and multitasking means responsiveness. Multitasking means responsiveness. Okay, means user always happy. See, basically multiprogramming means efficiency, like CPU always busy, and multitasking responsiveness, user always happy. Okay, so basically so basically see, multiprogramming means keeping multiple program in the main memory at the same time. Okay, and multitasking means extension of multiprogramming that uses time sharing. Okay, and in multiprogramming the CPU executes one program at a time. Okay, but when that program needs to wait for input or output, the CPU quickly switches to another program. Okay, So basically the main goal of multiprogramming is to keep the CPU busy and increase efficiency. Okay. Okay. And in multitasking is like extension of multiprogramming that uses time sharing. Okay. So the CPU switches between tasks very quickly, so fast that like it feels like all tasks are running at the same time. Okay, so the main goal of multitasking is to make the system more responsive for the user. Okay, now we can see key differences. See, multiprogramming keeps the CPU busy, and the other side, while multitasking makes the system more responsive. Okay, and in multiprogramming the CPU switches only when a program waits for input or output, and in multitasking the CPU switches very quickly using time slicing. Okay, then multiprogramming has very little or no user interaction, while multitasking has high user interaction. And multiprogramming was mainly used in old batch system, while multitasking is used in modern operating systems like Linux, Mac OS, Windows. Okay, and multiprogramming increases CPU utilization. Okay, multiprogramming increases CPU utilization, and other side multitasking improves user experience. Okay, so basically multiprogramming is about efficiency and keeping the CPU busy all time, and the other side multitasking is about responsiveness and keeping the user happy. Okay, thank you for watching this video.